Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys the Uppababy Mesa car seat, and I'm going to show you the box, I'm going to show you the actual car seat itself, I'm going to show you the base, and then we're going to actually clip it onto a stroller. So I'm going to show you everything within this video. This is the original box that we have right here. You can see Uppababy Mesa, and then this is all the package material that came inside. So this is the original box, and we did purchase this off of Amazon. So now let me show you the actual car seat. So this is the actual car seat itself, and I gotta tell you guys, this is very sturdy. This is good material, very durable. We should have bought this for our first son, that way we could have had him for all three of our sons, but we chose to buy it on our third son. It's okay, but I wish I would have bought this sooner. Okay, so I just want to point out everything about the car seat. We're going to go with the pads. These pads are nice and sturdy. This is for the neck support. I just love this right here. It's nice and cushiony. Your baby's going to be nice and comfortable in there, okay? Before we talk about the actual seat belt, let's talk about this little insert right here. It can actually come off and on, and it's for 4 to 8 pounds. So this is like newborn to within their first, second month. Okay, so this is what this is, and you can just pull this right off. Okay, so now let's talk about the straps. Here's how the straps go. Okay, they just clip on just like this, and then to undo the strap, all it is the center button. You just pull on it right here. Okay, so we're gonna hook that back up, and then it's just it's like a traditional car seat. It's all the clips and everything. As you guys could see right here, the baby is seat belted up right here. You can have their head, their arms out to the side, and then you have their legs right here. Okay, if you want to tighten this up, all you have to do is pull on the strap right here and it tightens up. If you want to loosen it, you push on this button and then you pull one of these straps just like that. Okay, so push and pull right here. Okay, I do want to point out these blue knobs on the side, and this is a jade color, which means it's black color Uppababy car seat. And then these blue sides right here, this is where the seat belt goes, okay? We're gonna talk about the base in a second, but if you don't use the base, this is where the seat belts are gonna go, the seat belt straps right here. Okay, so we talked about all that. I did wanna talk about the shade, right? The shade, all you have to do is push and pull. There's no buttons for the shade, and you guys can see it's UV protective, and it has that mesh, so you could it's still breathable, but it blocks out the sun rays. So that is definitely great right there. Okay, so we do have the handle, and for this handle, all you have to do is push on the two-sided gray clips right here. So I'm gonna push both sides like so, and then you could push it down like so, put it back just like this. And then this is where you could carry your baby when you're out and about, and you just carry him right here with a strap, or when you're putting him in the stroller, this is the strap that you're going to use right here. And then so it locks. So same thing, if you want to push it back, you push both of the gray sides like this, and then you push them back. And then you could even, if you put it on the ground and you want it stable, you could push it all the way back like that. That way your baby's not rocking or anything, okay? So we're going to push this back like so. Okay, so now I want to talk about the base. Okay, so this is the base. This is the leveler right here. When you see green, it's good to go. That means the base is nice and level. When you see red like so, that means it's not level. So you want to make sure it's all green. That way it's going to be level like so right here. Okay, so let me bring it over here. Okay, so there's a couple moving parts here. The first part is right here, this blue clip. All you have to do is pull down on it. And it has a spring right here that just pops right up, okay? So to secure the base, you're gonna have to put the seat belt through here, and then you put it right here, and then you're gonna go ahead and close this up, and the other portion of the seat belt goes down here, and it clips in, and that way the base is gonna be nice and sturdy, okay? So that's one portion of it. And you also have to clip the sides. So I wanna show you guys how it works, but I'm gonna be pushing down this orange button right here, and then I'm gonna be pulling on this tab right here simultaneously, just like so, okay? And now you have this, and you could lock this to the locks, to the metal handles that are tucked inside the seat, okay? So it has it for both sides. Let me show you guys. Okay, it has both sides, and then you're gonna hear it retracts, right? So once you secure it, it retracts by itself and it locks. So it's gonna be very nice and secure. And then when you wanna put it back, you push down on it and then you just kind of tuck it in like so. Let me show you guys again on this side. You're pushing the orange and then you're tucking it in just like this. So you wanna lock both sides, and then you wanna put the strap in here. You wanna put it into the blue clip, right? And then over here, and then the base is gonna be nice and secure, and you wanna make sure again that it is level, okay? The levels are on both sides, as you guys could see right there, okay? So I want to show you what it looks like when it's actually on the base, okay? Okay, so here's the base. I'm just going to set it in, and it locks just like that. So you could choose, depending on your state and depending on your laws, you could choose to just put the base in and seatbelt the base without seatbelting the actual car seat itself, or you could actually do both, and then you could run the strap over here, and then with the base being there. It all depends on your state law, so make sure you check those. Okay, now if we want to take this off, okay, which we're going to eventually want to do, it's this latch all the way at the bottom. You can see it right here, it's the gray latch. So all we have to do is pick it up like so, and then you can remove the car seat from the base, just like that. It's that easy, you guys. Now I want to show you what it looks like when we put the car seat on an actual stroller. We have the Uppababy Vista stroller right here. This holds 2 babies right here, and then we could actually put a third option to put the scooter back here. So I just want to show you what we have here, okay? So this is very simple, you guys. All you have to do is plug it in like so, and then push down. And just like that, it's locked into place right here. You don't need any other adapters or anything. It's locked, it's that simple, okay? I wanna show you guys how to take it off, because you would think it would be this latch at the bottom, but it's actually not. There's a latch all the way on top. It's this gray button right here. You push down and it releases, okay? This is the button that I'm talking about right here. And the cool thing is you could actually put it facing front or facing rear. Just like that. You guys seen how easy it is to lock in? It's locked. It's not going nowhere, okay? We're not gonna push this button. It's not gonna do anything. Once you're ready to have your baby come out the stroller, all you have to do is push the button on top again, right? This button right here that I have my thumb on, and just like that, we can come out and it's good to go, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something about the car seat, and I definitely recommend it.